In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Notion page with a password. Notion is a powerful tool for organizing your digital life, and ensuring your data is secure is just as important as organizing it well. I'm going to guide you through the steps to add a password to your Notion account, ensuring that your sensitive information is always protected. First, let's open your web browser and head to Notion's website. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a Login button. Click that to proceed. Now you're ready to log into your account. If you haven't already signed in, you'll see several options. The easiest is to click on Google to continue with your existing Google account. Once you choose that, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Just go ahead and select the account you'd like to use with Notion. It can expedite the process if you're familiar with your Google login details, as Notion will pull your credentials from there. Now that you're signed in, you'll see your Notion environment. You'll find your account name or icon typically towards the upper left of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for and click on Settings. The Settings menu is where you can manage everything about your Notion account, including how to protect it. Once you're in Settings, you need to click on the Account tab that's positioned at the top of this Settings page. Within the Account section, you'll notice an option that says Add Password. Clicking on this will allow you to do exactly that, add a password to your Notion account. Now create a secure password. Make sure it's something that's memorable yet complex enough for security purposes. As a general rule, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to increase the complexity of your password. After typing this password in, you'll be prompted to confirm it, so enter it again exactly as you did the first time. Double check for typos, as any discrepancies will prompt an error. Once everything looks good, click on the Set a Password option to finalize. And that's it. You now have added an additional layer of security to your Notion account by setting up a password. This ensures that even if someone gains access to your email or Google account, your Notion workspace remains secure. Take a moment to remember your new password, perhaps saving it securely in a password manager if needed. It's always a good practice to routinely update your passwords, and this time, Notions is ready for any changes you might need later on. Thank you for joining me today and following along. Protecting your Notion pages with a password helps to keep your information safe and gives you peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, please share it with anyone else you think might benefit.